Yeah, I want to.
My continuous preparation. This is $100 notes. So they give me 1,000.
Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. This year the job market has been challenging for many of us. If you have been struggling to find opportunities in the UK or other parts of Europe, it may be time to look somewhere different. Why not consider Luxembourg? My name is Daria Zawadzka and I am an immigration lawyer from Warsaw, Poland. Now let's focus on great news. Luxembourg offers some great work opportunities. Unlike countries like the US, UK or Germany, Luxembourg isn't as saturated with job seekers, giving you a better chance to find suitable jobs. And here's the kicker. The average salary for many jobs here is between 4,000 to 5,000 euros per plus. Since Luxembourg is in the EU, you get added benefit of visa-free travel across 29 countries which are part of Schengen. In today's video we will explore blue-collar jobs in demand in Luxembourg, salary expectations, work visa requirements and how to apply. So if you are ready, let's explore work opportunity in one of the richest countries in the world. Why Luxembourg for blue-collar jobs? One of the biggest perks of working in Luxembourg is the money. Salaries here are much higher than in most European countries, even for blue-collar jobs. For example, drivers earn around 3,000 euros per month. Cleaners make between 3,000 to up to 4,000 euros per month. Warehouse workers and packers earn about 2,500 to up to 4,500 euros per month. Construction workers can take home up to 5,900 euros per month. These are just averages, so with experience you can earn even more. Let's take a look into some of the most in-demand jobs. Construction, logistics and warehousing, cleaning and maintenance, hospitality and food services, agriculture and seasonal work, domestic help and caregiving, transportation and driving. And there is more good news. Employers in Luxembourg often provide work visa sponsorship to help fill labor shortages, especially for roles like construction, logistics, cleaning and caregiving. Understanding the work visa process. Now let's break down the work visa process step by step. Secure a job offer. Why is this important? A job offer is your entry ticket to starting the work visa process in Luxembourg. Employers in Luxembourg must justify the need to hire a non-EU worker. First is a labor market test. The employer must advertise the job through Luxembourg's National Employment Agency for at least 3 weeks. They must prove that no suitable candidate from Luxembourg or the EU was available for the role. Key roles in demand. Many blue-collar roles such as warehouse workers, cleaners, caregivers and construction laborers are in high demand. Language barriers for those roles are often minimal. Employer's application for the work permit. The employer submits a work permit application to the Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs. This includes signed employment contract, proof of labor market testing, candidates' qualifications and identity documents like passport. Why is it crucial? The authorities ensure the job adheres to Luxembourg's labor laws and that the candidate meets the job requirements. Approval by authorities. Local employment agencies, after reviewing the labor market test, issues a certificate permitting the employer to hire a non-EU worker. Ministry review. The Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs conducts a final review of the application. Timeline. Processing typically takes up to 3 months but may be expedited for high demand or specialized roles. Pro tips for applicants. Stay in regular contact with your employer to ensure all documents are submitted and tracked. Employees visa application. What to do? Apply for a D-type long-stay visa at your nearest Luxembourg consulate or VFS Global Center. Required documents. Valid passport. Work authorities. Employment contract and employer's authorization letter. Proof of qualifications if required. Proof of accommodation in Luxembourg. Cost and processing time. Approximate fee is 80 euros. Processing time typically takes from 15 to 30 days but may be extended during busy periods. Arrival and local formalities. Initial steps. Declare your arrival at the local commune within 3 days. Complete a mandatory medical checkup as part of work-related health formalities. Residence permit application. Submit an application for a residence permit which allows you to live and work legally in Luxembourg. Necessary documents include passport, visa, work permit, proof of accommodation, medical checkup certificate, permit validity, typically valid for 1 year, with options for renewal based on ongoing employment. How to start your job search. If you are ready to look for jobs, here are some tips. Check international portals like Eres, Indeed and LinkedIn. Use local Luxembourg platforms. Reach out to recruitment agencies. And remember, focus on roles that align with your experiences, especially in sectors like logistics, constructions, or caregiving. Summary. So is Luxembourg the right choice for you? If you are looking for a stable, well-paying blue-collar job with the chance to bring your family and to explore Europe, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on global job opportunities. And if you want more information about the visa process, make sure to comment what would you like to know more about this topic next. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time very soon.